Tibet! China rise, Tibetan die! China rise, Tibetan die! Revered! Tenzin Delek! Revered! Tenzin Delek! China's coming! China's coming! 10 years too long! Release Tenzin Delek now!
So today we are highlighting the case of Tenzin Delek Rinpoche, who is a political prisoner, a prisoner of conscience inside Tibet, who was arrested 10 years ago. And this Saturday marks 10 years since Rinpoche has been arrested. And I would like to ask everybody to visit the freetenzin.org website. Please take the time, freetenzin.org. Go to that website, and there are a couple of different actions that you can take that are really important. One thing you can do on that website is you can just click a button and send a petition to Zhou Yongkang, the Chinese leader who has literally built his career right now, climbed this career ladder based on how much he has made the Tibetan people's life more difficult and worse. You can also send a petition to your elected representatives, to your congressional representatives, and ask them to petition the Chinese government so they can put a different kind of pressure on the Chinese government on a peer-to-peer level. And there is a poster that you can download of Zhou Yongkang. So Zhou Yongkang, this Chinese leader, his face you can see on the website, and you can download this poster. And what we are saying is Zhou Yongkang is the real person who is wanted, who should be arrested for his crimes against humanity inside Tibet. And he is the person who should be arrested, and this is a wanted poster that we have designed, that we encourage people to put everywhere. Print them and put these posters up everywhere you can, but particularly in places near the Chinese consulates, so that we get to personalize the repression of the Chinese government. Right now he is trying to hide behind this building, the brick buildings over here, or these massive structures in the Zhongnanhai in Beijing. That's what they want to do. They commit these crimes, they want to hide, they want to remain faceless. But our job is to make him known to everyone as the butcher of Tibet, as the person who is responsible for the crimes. And we encourage everybody to please print the posters and distribute them everywhere.
Going to send a message to Zhou Yongkang that he's a criminal and that he's wanted for his crimes against Tenzin Delek Rinpoche, and he has the power to release Tenzin Delek Rinpoche, and Tenzin Delek should be free now, because every day that he's in prison is one day too long.
Zhou Yongkang is the criminal and not Tenzin Delek Rinpoche.
We're never going to stop going after him until Tenzin Delek is released, because this man right here has made his career torturing, imprisoning, trying to destroy the Tibetan spirit, trying to destroy it forever. And the Chinese government, their time will come, they will fall, and Tibet will be free.